But I say unto you, that whosoever looketh on a woman to lust after her hath committed adultery with her already in his heart. This I say then, walk in the Spirit, and ye shall not fulfill the lust of the flesh. Flee fornication. Every sin that a man doeth is without the body, but he that committeth fornication sinneth against his own body. For all that is in the world, the lust of the flesh, and the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life, is not of the Father, but is of the world. For this is the will of God, even your sanctification, that you should abstain from fornication, that every one of you should know how to possess his vessel in sanctification and honor, not in the lust of concupiscence, even as the Gentiles which know not God. Mortify therefore your members which are upon the earth: fornication, uncleanness, inordinate affection, evil concupiscence, and covetousness, which is idolatry. Flee also youthful lusts, but follow righteousness, faith, charity, peace, with them that call on the Lord out of a pure heart. Now the works of the flesh are manifest, which are these: adultery, fornication, uncleanness, lasciviousness, idolatry, witchcraft, hatred, variance, emulations, wrath, strife, seditions, heresies, envyings, murders, drunkenness, revellings, and such like, of the which I tell you before, as I have also told you in time past, that they which do such things shall not inherit the kingdom of God. Meats for the belly, and the belly for meats, but God shall destroy both it and them. Now the body is not for fornication, but for the Lord, and the Lord for the body. Dearly beloved, I beseech you as strangers and pilgrims, abstain from fleshly lusts, which war against the soul. But every man is tempted when he is drawn away of his own lust, and enticed. Then when lust hath conceived, it bringeth forth sin, and sin, when it is finished, bringeth forth death. For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. I made a covenant with mine eyes. Why then should I think upon a maid? Marriage is honorable in all, and the bed undefiled, but whoremongers and adulterers God will judge.